Today we're looking at the Airfix British Artillery set, originally released in 1986. This is one of the classic Airfix figure kits, and as you might expect from the time, it's moulded entirely in bright red plastic. Straight away you get that distinctive rubbery feel these older figure kits are known for. Inside you get a full selection of figures and equipment, the poses are dynamic, and you get a mix of gun crews and weapons, which makes it easy to build up a little diorama straight out of the box. The sculpting is actually pretty good for the era, with sharp enough detail to pick out uniforms, helmets and gear. And of course, being moulded in that softer plastic, you'll need to use the right paint and glue techniques to get the best results. But that's part of the fun with sets like this. Historic figures sets have been part of the Airfix catalogue for decades, and they're a brilliant way to add life and realism to a larger diorama or wargaming setup. They also stand alone really nicely as a dedicated display piece if you enjoy painting figures. So here's a question for you. What do you think of these historic figures? Do you enjoy painting and collecting them, or do you prefer aircraft, armour and ships? Let me know in the comments. And while we're on that topic, what would your dream figure kit be? Something that Airfix has never done before, or perhaps a completely new take on a classic set? This British Artillery kit is a perfect little time capsule from the mid-80s, bright red plastic, a great variety of poses, and plenty of potential for creative builds. Would you paint them up for display, or go for a fully weathered battlefield diorama? If you've enjoyed this retro unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.